Back again. Yeah, just got home not long ago actually, and just cranked up the computer to warm her up. Yeah, I'll tune into Pokemon straight away, and it's got a knob set. Pretty much, a lot of people have sort of confirmed what you need to do in the comments. Before I get to it, keyless entry. I'm sure you're going to watch this video or whatever, but you said you remove your faceplate from your 225. Yeah, I said in my video, when these are a one-off plate, as in from original when unassembled. When you put that plate in, and they're supposed to be flush with the curvature of the face. So yeah, but once they're in there, they're in. You can, like I said, you can get them out, but you got to have to pry it off, and you will leave some evidence of scarring. But once they're off, usually they don't go inside again. What you have to do, if you've been lucky enough to get the plate off, which I think I'll show you in a minute. Anyway, inside those two little legs, if you get the plate off cleanly, you're going to have to sort of give them a bit of a, just swell them out with a hammer, just slightly, to make them, enlarge them again, and you can reuse them to get a real nice tight fit. Yeah, this is another one, but this one was never sort of placed correctly in the padlock, hence the, you see that there's a lip, or you've got an edge to work with. So what I'm thinking, let me know, KE, if you got how you got it off, mate, because yeah, that's the only reason I think you got it off. You had a plate which wasn't fully down in the padlock, right, how it's supposed to be, one that wasn't knocked fully home, and you maybe, because you got an edge to work with, you can just sort of pick at it to get it off. That's my assumption on that anyway. Let me know if I'm wrong, that's fine, but I'm surprised it's come off that easy, unless it's been taken off before, or I don't know. Let me know how you got off, mate. That's the only reason the only reasoning I can think of, that you had plenty of meat there on the faceplate to just pick at, maybe. But yeah, if you found another way to get them out without like a discreet entry, I'll be interested to know. Yeah, and I can learn as well. So anyway, yeah, let me know, KE, how you got yours off. But like I said, I'm thinking that maybe the plate wasn't fully down properly, and you had some bit of purchased on the sides there to get it off. But I don't know, you let me know. Yeah, PW, she's got a knob set, Canon knob set. I'm assuming she hasn't got a key with it. They come, yeah, like I said, some people pretty much gave you the idea what to do. Just got to depress the retainer wafer in there through the little access window. But there's two different varieties, or two different ways to get into them. Some are, number one, you've got to get it in the unlock position, obviously. Some you can get access to the wafer, or the retainer wafer inside, without using the key. I'm not sure which type of setup you have, but if you turn the knob, usually you'll find it. You'll see it. You'll see a little. It's pretty. There you go. See it there. See like a wafer in there. Yeah, if you turn the knob, the access window's lined up with that wafer. Let's get your pokey tool and depress that little wafer, and at the same time pull the knob off. Anyway, yeah, and pull the knob off, and drop the kick. some, you need to obviously be in an open position, but you need the key, and you got to only you'll get access to the wafer, but the wafer will not depress down until the key or the core is in a certain position, usually farthest to the left. But you'll find out anyway. If you can pick it open into the open position, to the unlock position, yeah, turn the core, then try depressing it that way. But that's the only two ways you can get them off. It's either via the key, usually commercial ones are that type of setup, but residential, 9 times out of 10 you can just line up the wafer through the window and just push it in, and at the same time with your left hand pull the knob in that position, and it will pop out off the handset, and you can make a key and just pop it back in. Yeah, that, like I said, that applies to most key and knob sets residential. But like I said, sometimes you're going to come across one, usually commercial type grade, where you can get access to the wafer through the window, but you can't depress it until the key's turned into a certain position. But yeah, see how you go. You'll be right. Yeah, so that's basically it. Yeah, so that anyway, okay, Eva, let me know, mate, how you got yours off. I'll be interested to find out if you got little secrets, little tricks. I don't know, but I was, like I said, I'm assuming that you had some purchase value on the faceplate, because they're supposed to be driven right home where they're flush with the contour of the padlock, where you say you can't get access to it. Anyway, yeah, that'll do. 7 minutes. I hope that voice helps you out, mate. Until next time. Oh, before I go too, try to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. This is for someone anyway, a mate of mine. He knows who he is. The Ingersoll, mate, the blanks. This is the Silka blank for the Ingersoll. I'll let you sort of not freeze frame it, but I'll hold that there for a while. So let me know which profile is closest to your profile, and we can go from there. And try to source a blank, or try anyway. But yeah, that's the 3 on the Silka, yeah, one of those 6 profiles. Let me know. You know who you are. Anyway, until next time, that'll do. Take care, and yeah, goodbye.